my gosh, look at this. So what we have here is a busted Chick-fil-A Polynesian sauce. And so now it's all on the bottom here. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I guess I'll have to just scrape it out. Ew. We are back in the kitchen today because I'm getting ready to tackle my second junk drawer. I don't think I've ever organized this junk drawer. I think we've just thrown things in here for the last 10 years. Really don't know what's in here, but I went in here earlier this morning and I was like, can't find anything. It's time to tackle this. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna see how I'm feeling. Let's do maybe more than one drawer today. Okay, I know the videos have been kind of shorter, but it's hard to film enough content for every day for 25 days. And I got a couple of questions about if I am going to be posting my regular content, like my hauls, my shop with me's and stuff. Of course, I am still gonna do that over these 25 days of decluttering. And I'm gonna do the decluttering videos too, and I'm gonna do more voiceovers because you guys said that you like it more when I'm talking instead of just playing the random music. So I'm listening. So please, any requests, leave them down below. We are slowly but surely getting there, and I am loving the results so far. Let's just start with this right here. That clear. Yes. Yes. Oh my gosh, y'all. I wanted to do the dining room today, but I'll give you a little sneak peek. It's so intense that I'm like, I don't know about that. So let's just focus on the kitchen. Let's go back to the kitchen. You remember, when was this, like a month or so ago? I did this. This has been a game changer when I cook now. Everything, it's perfect. This is working really, really well. So I'm happy about that. I really wanna do this. This has we gotta get control out of this here because it's intense and I wish everything just had a place properly. That way I can get it. I do use this stuff in here, except for my juicer. It's probably time for me to get rid of that because it doesn't work. Like part of it's broken. And I find it annoying every time I use it. And so I probably just need to go ahead and buy a new juicer. I've had this juicer well over 12 years. When we moved into this house, I bought it with me. So it's time. So we'll see what we get to today. But up first, we're gonna do this right here, girl. I do not know what's in here. Just a lot of randomness in here. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh my gosh. Seriously? Oh my gosh, look at this. Ew. Look at that. Gross. All right, my friends. So what we have here is a busted Chick-fil-A Polynesian sauce packet. And so now it's all on the bottom here. Still feels like gel, so it's not that old. Why am I playing with it? I don't know. But now I've gotta I don't know what I'm gonna do. I guess I'll have to just scrape it off. Oh, I'm just gonna try to scrape it off and hope it doesn't stain. These are little wax melts that have busted. So here I'm just getting the rest of the trash out. Clearly a bag of wax melts just crushed and crumbled in this drawer, but it's fine. I'm just picking it all up and getting it all out. This felt so good to do, y'all. Seriously, you think something will take you so long, but it really doesn't. How satisfying is this? Honestly, this little mini Pampered Chef scraper is my absolute favorite kitchen gadget. I've had it for years. It's linked in my Amazon store. It's so useful, and it comes like you don't know you need it until you need it. So something like this, it's so satisfying to just scrape off. And so now I'm getting ready to vacuum out those little pieces because I don't want to like take a Clorox wipe or anything in here yet until I get all those little pieces of candle out. Now I'm just sorting through, trying to just get the trash out because that's what the majority of this is. It's just trash. Just sorting through, trying to throw all the trash away and just finding these cute little gems. Oh my gosh. Oh, poor Dad Reed. How cute is this? Give more vanilla wafers, please. And chips. Thank you. So love much. Oh. It's little stuff like this. I don't know why this is attached to a Publix receipt. They both would leave us these little love notes, and it says, "I love you, Daddy. You take good care of me and Ava. I love you, Daddy, with all my heart." H-R-A-T. I can't throw it away. I cannot. You know, what I realized is that this second junk drawer, because I wouldn't say that the first drawer that I did the other day was a junk drawer, because it is things that we go to reach for often. Okay, so it's just random things put together that we use often. Whereas this drawer, I guess this is truly junk, because it's stuff that we don't reach for often, but we do reach for it. And I just didn't know where to put it. So I just threw it in that drawer and then just forgot about it. A lot of it is so old that it's trash now, but like, look at all these old gift cards. Like, when we get gift cards, I would just put them in this bag and then use them at one. My plan would be to use them at some point, but then I would forget that I had the gift card, so they would just stay in this bag. So far, so good. This is how much trash that was in there. That's wild, right? Who knew I was keeping so much trash in my drawer? That's crazy. Now you will see me here putting those gift cards back in the drawer, because my husband and I are gonna go through the gift cards and kind of figure out who's is whose. Some of them are his, some of them are the kids, some of them are mine. We're gonna kind of just go through and pick, you know, which ones we want to use and put them in our wallet, so we'll have them accessible when we need them. So now I just want to use what I have. I don't want to go out and buy some new containers and make it look all pin worthy or Instagram worthy. Because at the end of the day, it's not stuff that I, you know, reach for often, and it is what it is. So I'm just wiping out these Dollar Tree containers that I've had for so many years and just putting this stuff in there. Maybe one day I will, you know, beautify it and get all those beautiful clear containers or drawer dividers. But for right now, I just want a clear space that is functional, as opposed to aesthetically pleasing at first. So here I am, just kind of placing them in, trying to figure out where I want everything to go. Again, it's kind of random. All the stuff is random, but again, it's stuff that I actually do reach for, just not that often. So I'm just trying to see what I can fit all back in this drawer. All right, my friends, I'm done. I know it probably looks, does it still look junky? I mean, I don't know. These are all my seeds from last year that I plan on using again. Those are all the gift cards that my husband and I need to go through. These are my wax melts. Oops, these are my wax melts and extra chip clips. I should probably put these here. And stuff that you need to just grab sometimes, like sunblock or bug spray, gum, some tissues. Sometimes I need an extra pack of tissue for my purse. These clips I'm going to be using for our Christmas lights outside, actually, really soon. And then these are my lighters and extra. It's just randomness, right? It's a lot of random things, but it's better than what it was. You guys remember what it was, right? I'm happy. All of this trash came out of that one drawer. That's wild, right? Whole trash bag. So progress. I mean, I'm looking at this now. It looks a lot better than what it was. I still have like all this space back here. This moves around. I'm just happy with this for right now. All right, now I'm gonna tackle this, y'all, because I'm feeling good about myself and I want to keep the momentum going. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull everything out. Everything in here I want to keep except for the juicer, probably. I don't know. I don't even know what those books are back there. Clearly they haven't been used if they're all the way in this cabinet. So let me go ahead and pull everything out, assess the situation, see what brings me joy, and then, you know, get it done.
I'm helping too.
Good job. All right, let's start by pulling everything out, okay? So this drawer, I don't use as much, but I do use quite a bit, especially if I'm like making smoothies every day or something like that, because this is where I keep my NutriBullet and a lot of other kitchen appliances in here, like my juicer, my Jack LaLanne juicer that I've had over 12 years. As a matter of fact, last time I used it a couple of months ago, I realized that it was broke. And so it made me not want to use it anymore. I mean, it's still juiced, but then the juice would, like, half of the juice would leak everywhere. And I'm like, ugh, so frustrating. So I don't know why I just put it back in my cabinet. I just put it back. And so, but I'm definitely going to not just get rid of it and purchase a new one because it's about that time. The rest of the stuff in here is like my mixers, my hand mixers, my blender, my food processor. I have an emulsifier that I didn't even realize I had, which is crazy, but it's good to know because I feel like I needed it like maybe about a year or so ago and I didn't realize I had it in this cabinet. And then also we have all these books. Like I don't know why I put these cooking books underneath here, but I can't even tell you the last time I looked at it into a cooking book for a recipe because, you know, it's a Pinterest age, so all the recipes are online. And so yeah, I just want to clear this out. Oh, I gotta get up. Holy crap. I gotta get up and I'm slipping and sliding on these hardwoods. Ugh! 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 You heard that pop? Things hit different. I'm telling you, things have been hitting different. Boy. So here I'm vacuuming everything out. This cabinet didn't have a lot of crumbs. Really didn't have hardly any crumbs. I don't know why it would have crumbs. Maybe crumbs that were on the appliances from the counter or something like that, but I just wanted to give it a good vacuum because it's not like I vacuum this cabinet often or anything like that. And here I'm learning that you can wrap your cords underneath your appliances to save the space. What? Totally blew my mind. I didn't realize that you can do that with my appliances. I usually just throw them in there and just, you know, kind of stuff the cord behind it. But I took the time and I wrapped it, and now I will take the time every time I use them to wrap them back properly. Okay, sorry, we had to stop. I had to stop for dinner and everything and just get it done, okay? Wait till you guys see how much I'm taking out of the house tomorrow. Let me show you the cabinet. Ta-da! Look at that! That's my emulsifier. I have 2 hand mixers, my spiralizer, my blender, my NutriBullet, and then those are my blender accessories and my food processor, cheese graters. I probably use the cheese graters and the NutriBullet the most, and then also my kids' popcorn, and then the tops for the NutriBullets. I had, and you'll see in my donate pile, my old NutriBullet because I got a new upgraded one a couple years ago, and I kept keeping both. For what reason, I don't know. So that's why I have so many cups, but I'm really happy that everything has a place. It's amazing. That's my knife sharpener and my salad shredder back, or not shredder, my salad spinner back there. So I'm just really happy with the way this looks and the way this looks. You guys remember what it looked like before. So I'm really happy. And then of course we did this several days ago and this one still looks good. So let me show you what I'm getting out of the house. Look at all of this. That's the trash from the junk drawer. This is everything I'm getting rid of. I had to make space in this cabinet above my oven. That's where we keep like wine and alcohol and stuff like that. And I had all of these random vases in there that I just do not use. I don't know how I collected so many vases over the years, but it was a lot. So I pulled those down to take those out. And again, my juicer and my extra NutriBullets in there, some books, some cookbooks that I don't use, I probably never used, and they were just in there. And so that is that. I'm really, really happy with the progress today. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hopefully this inspired you to declutter something in your house. Let's just get through all the different projects that we need to get done before the end of the year so we could start 2023 off where we want to be. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.